Hey everybody, it's Sarah here with Pool Pros. Today I wanted to take a quick video to show you guys something we came across remodeling a pool for one of our customers that kind of blew us away. I would have to say we've seen a lot of things from different contractors, but haven't seen this done before. But it was definitely done improperly, which is unfortunate for our customer, but we're glad to be the ones to find it out, bring it to their attention so that we could come in and offer them installation the correct way, which is going to last them much longer in the way that it should. But here was the waterline tile that they had in their pool. They originally contracted with us because they were only going to do surface with keeping this existing tile, because you can see it's kind of classy. It's got the stone look. It's not the copycat look like the old school tile. So they originally wanted to keep it, but when we're prepping the pool, and we could just see that the tile was just installed funny. So we kind of mentioned it to them that we wanted to check it out to see, kind of play it safe. And we took a tile off and blew our minds. Whoever put the tile on the pool, instead of putting thin set down, putting a tile on, adhering it properly to the old tile or to the concrete that's behind the old tile. Looks like they just took little epoxy patches, which you can see these are already coming off, and they just kind of pressed the tiles over the old tiles, so that way they try to talk them into, well, you can keep your surface, we'll just give you new tile. Because if you don't know, you can only replace your pool tile when you're resurfacing a pool, so that you can get your new surface to line up perfectly with your existing tile. So it just kind of blew our minds. We almost hated bringing it up to the homeowner to show them that someone had did them wrong and took their money with something that definitely wouldn't have lasted for them. But that also just made me want to take the video for you guys so that you could see and know what some people are doing out there. If some people are giving you a lower price, or if they're not explaining how they're doing things properly and things like that. It's just definitely something we want to put caution out there, let you know that there's people out there who are unfortunately trying to do this just to make a buck, but it's really unfair to the homeowners, of course, and this would not have lasted them. So just want to give that video, put that out there, give you a little lesson and knowing when people are promoting this, or when you see them installing it, if they're doing something crazy like this is not proper. This would not hold. This would be a disaster. When it did come off, it could damage the tile underneath, so then you couldn't even keep that. Then you would have to put new tile and also a new surface to go with the new tile. It could cost a homeowner a lot of money in the end and a lot of heartache. So unfortunately we see cases like this more than often, but that's again why I just wanted to make this quick video to share with you something to keep an eye out on and spread the word. Thanks for watching. If there's anything we could do for you, give us a call. Sarah with Pool Pros of Pasco will be glad to help. Thanks much.